In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo collage in Canva. We'll walk through everything you need to know to bring your creative ideas to life using this dynamic design tool. Canva is a fantastic platform for crafting everything from social media posts to marketing materials, and today, we'll discover just how easy it is to build a stunning photo collage. First, you need to start by going to the Canva website and logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up for free using your email address or any of the social media buttons available. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage, which is bustling with design suggestions and templates. Now, to set a solid foundation for your collage, you'll want to type collage into the search bar right at the top and hit enter. This action will present you with various templates and layouts perfect for collages. At this point, the magic begins with selecting a template. You'll see an abundance of styles and themes to choose from. Depending on your vision, pick one that closely aligns with your idea. Remember, this is your creative expression. Once a template catches your eye, click on it to open your new project. You'll find the Canva editor, filled with tools and options just waiting to help you create. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to start personalizing your collage. This is where you swap out the current photos with your own. Upload your images by clicking on the Uploads tab located on the left panel. Select Upload Files to choose photos stored on your device. Once uploaded, simply drag your images to the template's photo slots. Play around with the layout by resizing or repositioning the photos to ensure your collage looks just right. If you want to enhance your collage further, Canva offers a wide range of elements to play with. Use the Elements tab to add shapes, lines, stickers, or illustrations, mixing and matching until your design is spot on. This tab is particularly useful for adding a touch of individuality or a splash of color to your collage. To add some narrative to your collage, consider adding text. Click on the Text tab, and you can either choose from a variety of text styles or opt for a standard heading, subheading, or body text. Customize the font, size, and color to make it blend seamlessly or stand out, depending on your artistic preference. After you've made all your adjustments and you're happy with the final product, you'll want to save your hard work. Click the Download button, which is conveniently a downward-facing arrow at the top right corner of your screen. Select your preferred file type, typically a high-resolution PDF or JPEG for most uses, and then hit Download. Voila, your photo collage is complete and ready to share with the world.